Hi! In this video we will see how to change the table setting on News 4. To modify a table, just select it and click on the pencil, or double-click on the table. A window will open where you can make changes. The first parameter to set is the type, which can be nothing, registry, document, and agenda. In additional tables, you can set tables to add to the main table. They will be shown as additional panels. To set up an additional table, just check it in the list of the tables. In calculating expressions, you can set up calculation for table fields by setting expression in this section. To add an expression, click on plus, choose the field to which the expression refers from the first column, and set the parameters on second column by clicking on three dots and entering the expression you wish to calculate for that field and press Save. To delete a row, click on Menus. It's good to keep in mind that the calculations are made from the topmost one to the bottom one. If there are calculations that are needed to make others, it's necessary that they are positioned on the top. You can move the lines using the up and down arrows. Save expressions in the table if it's checked. If the calculation expressions are modified, it will not modify all previously created documents. In the title fields, you can set a title for the table editing window. Just write what you want, or you can also insert field from the table, such as the number or date, by clicking on the three dots and entering the desired field. Accessory table, if this setting is checked, the table will be editable in the Table Editor option. Subtitle fields and value fields are a setting that is used for viewing from the app. Setting them will be displayed in the table interface. Sorting and search fields are the setting that is used for viewing from the app. You can select the field to allow the search. For extraction additional tables, read and write triggers, and all the program functions, we refer you to the next video. For any information or concerns, do not hesitate to contact us at info@news4.com. Thank you for watching the video. We wish you a good work and we will refer you to the next video.